Google Drive is an excellent cloud storage solution, but managing your storage efficiently is essential, especially as your files, photos, and emails grow over time. In 2025, mastering storage management can help you keep your drive organized, free up space, and avoid unnecessary costs. One of the first tips is to regularly review your files and remove duplicates, outdated documents, or large files that are no longer needed. This simple practice can free up significant storage space. Using Google Drive's storage view is another useful tip. You can easily see which files are taking up the most space and identify large attachments in Gmail that count toward your storage limit. Organizing files into folders also helps prevent clutter, making it easier to locate files before considering deletion. For frequently accessed files, consider storing them in shared drives or using shortcuts, rather than creating multiple copies, which reduces redundant storage usage. Compressing large files before uploading is another effective strategy, especially for videos, high-resolution images, or large spreadsheets. Google Drive also offers native integrations with tools like Google Photos and Google Docs, which automatically optimize storage for certain file types. Additionally, taking advantage of Google One's storage plans can provide more space if your drive consistently reaches its limits, while also giving access to backup and sharing features. Archiving older files is another tip to save space without losing important data. Moving files that aren't actively used to an archive folder or exporting them for offline storage helps maintain a lean and efficient drive. Finally, leveraging Drive's search functionality can help you quickly locate files for review or deletion, ensuring your storage is always managed effectively. By following these storage management tips, you can keep your Google Drive organized, efficient, and optimized for productivity, avoiding the frustration of running out of space or losing track of important files. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Drive tips, storage management hacks, and ways to keep your digital workspace organized in 2025.